Welcome to Kriya Quest. Today we're going to learn how to create CNQs and edit CNQs. CNQs being CreateNet questions. Log on to Kriya Quest by entering your user ID and password and then click on the login button. Once you have logged into the platform, ensure that you're in the right organization by going to the top right hand corner and clicking on the icon here. Once you want to change the organization, click the icon, scroll below and select the organization you currently want to be a part of. I have changed my organization to CreateNet Learning and Leadership. Click on OK. By default, the page opens at CreateNet Questions. If by chance you are not here, kindly click on CreateNet Questions on the top left-hand corner. Once you've landed on CreateNet Questions, click on Create a CNQ. This is where you go to create a new CNQ. When you click on Create CNQ, there's a pop-up that says, do you want to load templates of CNQ? Click OK. Give a title to your CNQ. In the brief section, you could set context or any information that you'd like to share with your participants or your team members regarding the CNQ. In the reference for brief section, you could attach images, documents, Excel sheets for the reference of your participants and team members to enable them to fill their CNQs smoothly. In order to add a document or any link to an image, kindly click on the icon below, enter a text for the document. Here I am putting a document for Kriya Quest. I can enter a URL by just selecting the document, selecting the URL, copying this and pasting it here in the URL link option. I can save this. Once saved, you would have the document visible here for any future reference for the participants or team members who are a part of the CNQ. Going down, CNQ template, you have options here to select the type of CNQ you would like to have for your team members or participants. C3Q is a set of 3 questions, C5Q is a set of 5 questions, and peer feedback. These are different types of questions that would enable you, that enables the entire process of asking questions and getting responses from your team members and making it much easier. Currently, I have selected C5Q. Share CNQ. This option here enables you to share your CNQ with participants or team members or fellow managers or facilitators for their reference and for them to participate and respond to this to the set of questions here. By clicking on Share CNQ, you can enter the person's name that you would like to share the CNQ with and click on Save button. Only the person you have shared CNQ with or the team would be accessible for this particular CNQ and nobody else would be able to view it. Here you can set the frequency of CNQ, whether you'd like it daily, weekly, monthly, only once or once in 2 weeks. Currently we have set it as weekly, and you can also choose the day of each week that you would like this CNQ to be available to your participants and team members. Going down, these are the 5 default questions which have been preset. You could make changes to this by merely editing the question right here, or you could even add a question if you would like to add something more. To add a question, please click on the plus icon near the questions tab. If you'd like to remove a question, you can just select the recycle bin option on the right hand side of that particular question. Once you click on the delete option, it gives you a pop-up asking you to confirm whether you would like to remove a particular question. If you do, please press OK. If not, cancel. And the question is removed. Once you've completed making changes to the questions that you would like to ask, click on Save CNQ. Your CNQ has been successfully created. Now the pop-up can just disappear by clicking outside the screen, or you can click on See CNQ. Going further down, you can see your CNQ is now created here. The people you've shared it with is visible by the icons here. You could see the frequency that you've set for your CNQ and the day of which you would like the frequency to occur. Now to edit the CNQ, if you would like to make changes to an existing CNQ that you've already created, please click on the three icons here, three dots here. Click on the option that says Edit CNQ, and you could make whatever changes you would like to the CNQ. You could add another question, you could remove an old question maybe, and your CNQ would be updated.